Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to create slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So in this HTML we have div with class slider containing all the other slider elements. Inside the slider we have another div called slides which contain the images. I have added 4 images and it would be like this. Okay. Below the slides there are two buttons with class previous and next. For previous and next icon, just go and search Google icon. Yes. And this is back and this is next button. Okay. So just copy the link, paste over here and also copy the span. Yes. Just paste it. For backward also you have to just copy and paste. And it would be like this. So we include the CSS, external CSS and external JavaScript for functionality and style sheet for styling. So let's start styling. We have to start with margin and padding. Margin 0 and padding 0. Now let's set the slider div. Relative position, width is 100%, height is 50 pixel, and margin at top 150 pixel, and for other sides, auto. The hidden overflow to hide any overflow content. So overflow is hidden. So let's start the site div. It's slide div. So display flex and width is, and here width is 400%, which slides contain 3 to 4 times wider than the slider. It would be like this. Now let's styling for image. So each image is set with 100%, height is 500 pixel, object width is covered to ensure entire container is covered. Then the transition effect for smooth sliding between the images. So it would be like this. Now styling for button. So previous and next are position top center of the slider container and also styling for padding, border, cursor. Now for function previous and next button, we have to add JavaScript. So we have to initialize variable slide index 0 to keep track the current slide index. Then function slide show take index n as argument and it adjusts the position of slides to show the slide at a given index. Now we select all the slides images using document.query selector. Then we have to iterate iterate over each slides using for each. So this line is set its transform CSS property to move it horizontally, translate x by certain percentage. Here the negative minus indicate the translation will be towards the left negative direction of the x-axis. and the slide index represent the current index of the slide being displayed, and multiplied by 100%, ensure that each slide is translated by its with 100% times of its index. For example, like if slide index is 0, the translation will be 0%. So it is on original position, like first slide. And if the slide index is 1, the translation will be minus 100%. So it will be display the second slide. Now we have to call the show slide function with initial index to display the first line. Now let's give the onClick function the previous slide and the next slide. Previous and the next slide. And here write the functionality of previous and the next slide. This is for increment and decrement slide indexes, and call the show slide function to display corresponding slides. Okay, so it would be like this. Yeah. So for this, we have to check the if the n is greater than or equal to the n. This is over here. Yeah, like that. You have to just check. Then it would be like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. So thank you.